Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy M23 to an Android device. You need to start by going into Play Store on both devices and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. After that, open it. From the screen here, choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now you need to select Receive on an Android and Send on Samsung. After that, tap on all of those dots and click on Send over here. This way you will choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a long while though to transfer all of them, so I will go with only one. Just Send and click on Get It. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android over here, selecting Allow in the pop-up, in this case while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can just input this key over here as well and simply tap on Receive. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!